Do you live in a perpetually messy environment but want to take selfies without the background making you look bad? Well, stay tuned, because in today's episode of Tutorials with Jolly, I will teach you how to take photos in front of your local garbage dump without anybody noticing. Okay, this video looks to be recording in a very purple tone, but you're probably not going to see that because I'm just going to throw a LUT filter on it. Do you know what bokeh is? You probably have some idea, even if you don't know it by that term. If you've ever seen a YouTube video where the person is sitting very close to the camera and the background is very blurry, actually I will demonstrate. That is bokeh. It is when the background gets blurred out and the foreground is in focus. More specifically, it refers to little bits of light, like if you have Christmas lights on a building that turn into little circles as they go out of focus. Now, to achieve this effect, you need a nice camera, like a DSLR or a mirrorless camera with a good lens, etc., etc., etc. I didn't used to have that, but now I do. But not everybody does, and especially cameras do not. No, not cameras. Cell phones do not have the ability to produce bokeh backgrounds, at least not real ones. Some newer cameras have dual lens setups where they take two photos offset to extrapolate depth and then smart blur the photos to produce these effects. But those phones are expensive. This phone is from 2015, and it is not one of those cell phones. So I cannot produce bokehs with this cell phone, but I can simulate something in the same realm as bokehs. Why would I need to do this? Okay, so say you have a really perpetually messy house. You have things that are in the background that you don't want the world to see. You want to take selfies so you can become Instagram famous and buy a bigger house. There's a way you can achieve this. First, open up your camera app. Then, switch it to the front-facing camera. You line up your shot however you want it, so you get it so your face is like how you want it. Then you pan over, and then in a quick motion, you start moving, and then as you're moving, you take the photo. Now what this does, if it'll... Yeah, there's banding, but you can kind of see that the background of the photo is blurry with a lateral motion blur, but I'm in focus. Now this does take some physical discipline. It is a skill you will need to learn. You're not gonna get it perfect the first try. If you're a ballerina, you'll probably get it right on the first try, but if you're not, it'll take some practice. I've been doing this since flip phones. Because flip phones did some cool things when you took photos while moving. But now, cameras are better, but you could still get a nice motion blur effect in the background to hide your hoard. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more tutorials, if that's what you would call this, like this, and this isn't really a tutorial, I didn't do it well, but I'll edit it to be better and more concise. Leave a comment below with what you would like me to teach you, or a problem you want me to try and solve for you. Subscribe to my channel for me. Turn on notifications. And did I say like this video? Like this video. Never do that again.